watermelon mojito. Come, let's learn how to make it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since it's summer, I'm going to show you a refreshing and healthy drink, watermelon mojito. So for this, the number one ingredient you will need is watermelon slices. You will also need lemon slices, and I've taken a bit of ginger because it boosts immunity. You will need lemon juice, frozen watermelon pieces, mint, powdered sugar and ice cubes. So let's begin. First, you'll have to blend the watermelon. After blending the watermelon and ginger together, add the other ingredients. First, ice cube. Then frozen watermelon slices. Mint. Powdered sugar and lemon juice and watermelon juice. Finally, mix it together. Refreshing. All of you should try it home. Thanks for watching.